Before you study English, 10 essential things you must do first. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Many people spend years studying English but still struggle to speak confidently. They memorize thousands of words, study grammar for hours, and watch countless videos, yet they don't see real improvement. Do you know why? Because they start learning English without preparing themselves first. Learning English is like building a house. You don't start with the roof. You begin with a strong foundation. If your foundation is weak, everything else becomes difficult. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare before studying English. These simple but powerful steps will help you learn faster, remember more, and stay motivated. Let's get started. Tip 1. Know your reason. The first thing you need is a clear reason. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe you want a better job, to study abroad, travel, to watch movies without subtitles, to pass an exam, to communicate with people around the world. Write your reason on paper. For example, I want to speak English confidently within 1 year. When learning becomes difficult, remember your reason. It will keep you motivated. Tip 2. Change your mindset. Many learners believe, I'm too old. My pronunciation is terrible. I'll never become fluent. These thoughts stop your progress. Instead, tell yourself, I can improve every day. I don't need perfect English. Mistakes help me learn. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Children learn by making thousands of mistakes. You should do the same. Tip 3. Set realistic goals. Don't say, I want to become fluent next month. Instead, make small goals. Week 1. Learn 30 common words. Week 2. Introduce yourself confidently. Week 3. Understand a short English video. Month 2. Have a 5-minute conversation. Small goals create big success. Tip 4. Create a daily study routine. Consistency is more important than studying for many hours once a week. Instead of studying 3 hours on Sunday, study 30 minutes every day. Example schedule. Review vocabulary for 10 minutes. Afternoon. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Evening. Practice speaking for 10 minutes. 30 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Tip 5. Prepare your learning tools. Before studying, organize everything. You need a notebook, a dictionary, a vocabulary journal, headphones, your phone or computer, useful English learning apps. Keep everything ready before each study session. Tip 6. Learn the most common words first. Don't begin with difficult vocabulary. Start with everyday words. Examples. Hello, thank you, please, sorry, water, food, family, school, work, friend. Learn words that you use every day. Example. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I love my family. These words become useful immediately. Tip 7. Learn pronunciation early. Many students ignore pronunciation. Later, they discover people cannot understand them. Practice the sounds carefully. Listen, repeat, record yourself. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers. Don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound clear. Tip 8. Don't memorize grammar rules only. Grammar is important, but grammar alone will not make you speak. Imagine learning to drive by reading books only. Impossible. You must practice. Instead of memorizing rules, use grammar in sentences. Example. Present simple. I eat breakfast every morning. Past simple. I ate breakfast yesterday. Future. I will eat breakfast tomorrow. Practice speaking these sentences aloud. Tip 9. Surround yourself with English. Make English part of your daily life. Change your phone language. Watch English videos. Listen to English podcasts. Read simple stories. Follow English pages on social media. Even 15 minutes every day makes a huge difference. Tip 10. Accept mistakes. Many learners stay silent because they fear making mistakes. But mistakes are teachers. Example. Wrong. She go to school. Correct. She goes to school. If someone corrects you, smile. Say thank you. Learn from it. That's how improvement happens. Study method. Use this daily method. Step 1. Learn 10 new words. Step 2. Read them aloud. Step 3. Write one sentence with each word. Step 4. Listen to native pronunciation. Step 5. Say each sentence aloud. Step 6. Review yesterday's words. Repeat every day. Example, study session. Today's topic, food. Words. Words. Apple, banana, rice, water, breakfast, lunch, dinner, hungry, cook, restaurant. Now make sentences. I eat an apple. She cooks dinner. We drink water. They go to a restaurant. Finally, speak all sentences without reading. Common mistakes beginners make. Studying only grammar. Learning difficult vocabulary first. Not practicing speaking. Giving up too early. Comparing themselves to others. Studying only when they feel motivated. Instead, study every day. Practice speaking. Enjoy the learning process. Motivation. Remember this. You don't need to become perfect. You only need to become better than yesterday. One word every day. One sentence every day. One conversation every week. 1 year later, your English will be completely different. Success comes from consistency, not perfection. Final challenge. Starting today. Study English for at least 30 minutes every day for the next 30 days. Keep a notebook. Write 5 new words every day. Speak English aloud every day. Record your progress. You will be surprised by how much you improve. Closing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Comment below. Why do you want to learn English? I'll read your comments and reply to as many as I can. Keep learning. Keep practicing. And remember, every English expert was once a beginner. See you in the next lesson.